There's kids and the puppies. Hi, hiya boy. Roar, roar, roar. Yeah, it's good. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Hello. That's Big O.
Can I say their names?
Yeah.
This is Carly.
That's Carly, and she's a little girl.
And that's Rascal. This one is a boy, and it has blue eyes. And this is Rascal. And it has a gray ear.
He has a gray ear.
This is the biggest one, and his name is Big O. Because that's what my sister and me named it.
Oh, okay. Good deal. He wants you to hold him. He wants you to pet him.
Can I say their nicknames?
Their nicknames?
Yeah, they have nicknames.
What are their nicknames?
This one is Big O Tires.
Oh, Big O Tires, okay.
And this one is Carly Mello. Hey. That is iCarly.
iCarly,
and this is Rascal Flatts.
Rascal Flatts.
You mean you're protecting the house?
This is iCarly. This is iCarly.
That's iCarly, huh? Okay.
Like Foggy.
Cool. Okay. So day after Thanksgiving, the puppies are approximately 10 weeks old now.
It was Thanksgiving, now it's Black Friday.
Yeah, it's Black Friday.
And we could go shopping for you for clothes.
Bro, you're gonna get This one barks so much, huh?
He's more of a barker, and he's the one that likes to play a lot more. I mean, he's like, he just loves everybody. They like to play in this grass. It's kind of wet, but